Welcome to the post-game press conference. TNT continuously builds on their lead and gets their second win in the series. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Chot Reyes, and our best player of the game, Poy Eram. Congratulations, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Coach Chot, with Ronde Hollis Jefferson fouling out with roughly 5 minutes and 30 seconds left on the clock, you had to rely on the rest of the team to deliver. They were able to hold on to your lead, but they were left scoreless in the last few minutes. What did you think of the way they closed out today's game?
It's just our ability to go to our strength, which is our defense. Without Ronde and without Jason, our two closers, perhaps in fact, they were the two highest scorers in this game. Both of them out, then it was incumbent upon our defense to hold the fort. They're really doing a good job. They defended Roger very well. They defended Calvin very well, forcing us to miss even easy shots and layups. But in the end, even if we missed, at least we were not giving up fast break points, which is the strength of Rain or Shine. And like I said, if we force them into a half court, then we have a better chance of defending them, and that's what happened in the end.
Poy, nabanggit na nga ni Coach Chot that, without RHJ, the momentum also momentarily shifted to the side of Rain or Shine. Nung nasa loob ka ng court, what were you telling the other players that were with you on the floor to ensure na depensa ang magwawagi para sa TNT?
Alam naman namin kung ano yung kailangan gawin para manalo, which is to play defense. So kung makikita nyo naman, talagang yung game towards the end, talagang we stuck together. Ang liit namin tignan sa loob eh. Pero yun nga, talagang tiwala kami sa isa't isa, tapos nag-uusap kami. Kung makikita nyo, puro kami Bisaya nung last couple of
hindi ko alam ano sinasabi nyo about me.
Pero yun na nasa isip ko na talagang every time, every possession, one good stop lang talaga. One good stop. Yun lang. Kasi hindi naman namin sila kayang stop ng individually. So we have to really stuck on our system and yung yung puso rin namin na sabi nga ni Coach, play aggressively but play smart. Sa dulo nagawa namin yun. We play aggressive and we play smart within that foul. So yun. Sobrang kaya thankful kami na nakuha namin yung panalo.